video, or welcome if you are new to my channel. Today's moving day. Not actually moving day, but we're gonna be starting to drive to Philadelphia. Woo! Yeah, so we got all packed up, and we still need to pack up the car. My mom's on her way home, and yeah, I'll show you guys the final product in the trunk later. But it's not as much stuff as like freshmen move in, because we have a lot of stuff in storage because we rented out a storage space over there. So most of my stuff is there. And so we only brought back stuff that we needed for like the summer, which is not a lot of stuff because I still had stuff at home. So yeah, we're gonna be driving halfway to Wheeling, West Virginia, and then to Philly. So yeah, I'm so excited to take you guys along, and dorm tour is coming up very soon, and that is the highlight of the vlog, so you don't want to miss that. The trash truck is here, but all packed up. We made it to Villanova. Going to our hotel room now, and I'll give you guys a tour. But nothing's gonna beat that dorm tour. Right here. All right, y'all, here we are. All right, bathroom. Hotel room tour. This hotel's actually really nice. I should show you guys the lobby when I go back down there. It's super nice. And then little couch. Ooh. Beds. As always, we gotta look at that view. Just the street below. Little storage area. Wait, where'd Daddy go?
He knows the story.
Hey, baby girl. What are you doing? Yay! Okay, bye.
Oh.
Woo! Oh my God. The deer! Hi. It is ours. That's so cute.
他帮你拿什么？
Do you have hot super sauce? Oh.
Hi. Yeah. Textbooks acquired. round of moving. Linda, where are you? Hi. Hello.
Hey, Caitlin's in her dorm. We're gonna go look for her room. Oh, there's a laundry room on this floor. Yay.
Oh, I found me.
Yay, welcome home.
Yay.
Welcome home.
Oh, that's so cute.
Little kitchen area.
Oh,
The one room. And then here's the bathroom with the shower. Yay, welcome home. Okay, it's different. It's different than the picture in the map. Okay, bye.
okay. This is my room. Before everything gets moved in.
What are you guys doing?
We're stopping on the bed to make it home.
Oh, okay. Yay.
Don't worry about that side. Okay, close that thing. Move back. Just okay, then we just do that side.
Oh, so you're supposed to to lift it high, you have to flip it, but then to lock it, you have to flip it back and do it that way.
You up?
Up here.
Let go of your head. You jump, you will hit your head. You up? And then the inside.
Is it locked?
Looks like a spider.
Like
You should be able to step on it. Yeah, okay, now this side. There you go. See, you hear that? So this side is not clipped. Maybe let me move. Hold on to it. Let me move for a minute now. Okay, I'll try. So there's more room to step on that. There you go.
Hey, sweet pea.
like this.
Yeah, I can't really see, so have your dad look really quick because I'm videoing.
What's that?
Like that.
Lower a top. Higher a little bit. In between. Yeah. Okay.
Is it crooked?
And then your right and left will be same space, right? So.
Is it crooked?
No. That's it.
Hey. Yay. Bye.
Community kitchen. Go up the stairs. Okay, so funnily enough, it's the next week. I didn't know if I would have time to edit this video because of work and stuff, but it's a long weekend, it's Labor Day, and so I think I will, and so I'm just adding this little clip in. I just laundry. But yeah, first week of classes, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and this little move-in process dorm tour thing. It's different than all my other videos because all the other ones I've had were more like vacations and like spring breaks, you know, and so switch things up a little bit. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys so super soon, hopefully, in the next video. Bye!